Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I can't do this, or I'm never going to succeed on keto? Those negative thoughts can derail your motivation and sabotage your progress faster than any cheat meal can. But what if I told you there's a simple mental hack that can help you crush self-doubt and keep moving forward? Today, I'm going to share the powerful STOP technique, a 3-step mental reset you can use whenever negative thoughts try to creep in. Master this and you'll not only stay on track with your keto goals, but also feel more confident and in control of your journey. Point number 1, recognize negative thoughts. The first step is awareness. Negative thoughts are sneaky. They often pop up without you even realizing it. Maybe you're looking at the scale and thinking, I'm not losing fast enough. Or you're tempted by foods that aren't keto-friendly and hear, I can't resist this. The key is to pause and recognize the thought instead of letting it spiral. Think of these thoughts as little pop-up ads in your brain. You wouldn't click on every annoying ad you see, right? The same goes for negative self-talk. Acknowledge it, but don't give it power. Point number 2, say stop. Once you catch a negative thought, the next step is to interrupt it. Visualize a big red stop sign flashing in your mind and either say the word stop out loudly or firmly in your head. This might sound simple, but it works because it disrupts the mental loop. Imagine your negative thoughts as a runaway train. You need to pull the emergency brake before it crashes. Saying stop gives your brain that exact pause, creating space for something better. Point number 3, replace with a positive thought. Stopping the negative thought is just the beginning. Now you have to replace it with a positive, empowering thought. For example, instead of saying this is too hard, say I'm making progress every day. Instead of saying I'll never stick to this, say I've already come this far and I'm not quitting now. Instead of saying I'm failing, try I'm learning what works for my body. This mental reframe shifts your focus from frustration to motivation. And when you practice this on a regular basis, your brain starts defaulting to positive, productive thinking. The STOP technique is one of the simplest, yet most powerful mindset tools you can use. Not just for keto, but for life. Every time you choose to stop negative thoughts and replace them with positive ones, you're building mental resilience that keeps you moving forward. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more keto mindset and success strategies. And let me know in the comments, what's one negative thought you're ready to stop today? I'd love to hear your story. See you in the next video.